So today we are going to see an important module in Python that we use in day-to-day programming. Okay, so that is the random module. Okay, it is a useful module. So first of all, we should import that module, random module. So random module import करने के लिए हमें कुछ pip install करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है because it comes in the Python packages. I think, yeah. So we will now see the functions. There are much useful functions in this random function. So first of all, I will show you random. As I am writing this in print, so we are directly printing what this function gives. Okay, this function gives a floating value between 0 to 1. Okay, so that's the function this do, random. So if you give, so if you read, so x in the interval 0 to 1 means here it is closed interval and here is it is open interval, means it can give 0 but it can't give 1, means so it only gives like 0.7, means point में देता है ये random function. Okay, so then there is another function print. We will write that in print random.rand int. Okay, so इस फंक्शन में हमें क्या करना है, if you see here there is an a and b, so we have to give the range. So we are giving range 1 to 100, means it gives the output, means ये output देता क्या है, it gives a random number between this range, means 1 to 100 में से एक random number हमें print करके देता है, means ये function return करता है. So this is about rand int. So then we go to the next function, that is print. So we will go to the next function, that is rand range. So okay, so I have to write here random.rand range. So this function also takes the range, means here if we give the range 1 to 100, this function also takes the third parameter, that is step. means जैसे हम for loop में step लगाते हैं, step count रहता है हमारा, means if we want to iterate by one, if we want to iterate to, means दो से iterate करना है, so for that we have to use this rand range function. If you write here 10, it will go, it will so here I will start 0 because हम 1 से start करेंगे तो वो 11, 22, 33 ऐसा देगा. So now we will run this code. So it is giving 50, means it will give the numbers that are in the step count, means like that 10, 20, 30, 40 dash, like it goes to the step count. Okay, that's about rand range function. Okay, so there is another function. For that we will take a string. So I will take the string Virat Kohli, so वो अपना favorite player है for that. So there is another function random.choice. तो random.choice करता क्या है, it returns an element or character in the string or list. So वो एक random character देता है. So we will pass the string through this to this function random.choice, then it will give us a random character. So it is giving a. Okay, so if we run another time, it is giving o, that's the o in Kohli. Okay, so this is for string. So we will take a list. Okay, so इसमें हम करेंगे क्या, एक कुछ random number लेंगे. So instead of comma I was giving dot. Okay, so these are okay, again that's dot problem here. Okay, these are the random numbers. So we will pass this list to this random.choice method. So it will give an element, okay, and random element from this list. Okay, so 24, this is the random element. If you run again, you will see another number. Okay, this is about random.choice. So there is another function that I want to show you, random.shuffle. For that I will take this in all comment. Okay, so for that we need a list, means shuffle method करता क्या है, it shuffles the order of list. Okay, so if I write random.shuffle and we are passing this list टू दिस रैंडम डॉट शफल, तो ये इस लिस्ट का ऑर्डर ही चेंज कर देता है, मीन्स इट चेंज द ऑर्डर एंड saves in that type. Means we are printing यल outside this function, so means हमारा यल लिस्ट का ऑर्डर ही पूरा चेंज हो गया है. So that is the thing. So if we try again, so it is giving another order. So if we try again, it is giving another order. So this is about random dot shuffle. Okay, then there is, we will try for this string. Okay, so now this time I will take Rohit Sharma. Okay, so we will pass. Now we will try it for the string, so we will print that. Okay, so I think it should give an error for the string, because random dot shuffle didn't take the string object, does not support item assignment. So if you see here in the description, so here they are saying to take list, any list they want as a parameter. Okay, so that's the thing about random function. If you like this video, just like the button and share, subscribe, भाई कुछ करना है करो. Thank you.